Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following weather news out of Europe, today's update is a big one. A city in Spain just broke a temperature record that had stood for over a century, 112 years to be exact. Let's get right into it. Spain is currently in the grip of a severe heat wave, and it just made history in Barcelona. On Wednesday, the Fabra Observatory on Barcelona's western outskirts recorded a maximum temperature of 40.5 degrees Celsius. That's about 105 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the highest temperature ever recorded at that station in its 112 years of data. Regional weather monitor Meteocat confirmed the reading. For comparison, the previous record was 40 degrees Celsius, and that was only set less than a year ago on July 30th, 2024. Over at Barcelona's El Prat Airport, which sits almost at sea level right next to the Mediterranean, the thermometer hit 37.7 degrees Celsius, or about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the highest reading there since records began in 1924. Spain's National Weather Agency, AEMET, confirmed both stations as the city's official reference points. Now, here's something interesting. Barcelona is right on the coast, and normally the Mediterranean Sea helps keep temperatures more moderate there compared to inland Spain. That's actually one of the reasons the city is such a popular tourist destination. But this heat wave was intense enough to override that natural cooling effect. This heat wave began on Sunday and is expected to continue through Thursday, with some weather stations across the country recording temperatures above 44 degrees Celsius. That's over 111 degrees Fahrenheit earlier this week. AEMET has issued its highest level red warning for extreme heat in parts of the Catalonia and Valencia regions. A red warning means conditions are considered dangerous to public health and immediate precautions are advised. On top of that, an orange alert, the second highest warning level, is in effect across large parts of central, southern, and northeastern Spain, including Barcelona itself. And this isn't an isolated event. Just last month, in late June, a major heat wave swept across much of Europe. Mainland Spain recorded its highest average daily temperature for the month of June since at least 1950, an average of 28.17 degrees Celsius, or about 82.7 degrees Fahrenheit. The human cost has been significant too. According to estimates from the MOMO monitoring system, more than 1,000 deaths in Spain may be linked to the heat last month alone. So why is this happening so frequently now? Scientists point to human-driven climate change as a major factor. Rising global temperatures are increasing the intensity, duration, and frequency of extreme weather events like heat waves. That means these events aren't just getting hotter, they're lasting longer and occurring more often than they used to. This isn't just a Spain problem, it's a signal for the rest of the world. If global emissions and warming trends continue, we can expect to see more record-breaking heat events like this one in the years ahead. So what should you expect going forward? If you're in Barcelona or anywhere in Spain's affected regions, expect elevated temperatures to continue through Thursday. After that, some relief is expected as the heatwave system weakens, but the effects of prolonged heat and humidity may linger for a few more days. If you or anyone you know is in these areas, here are a few quick safety tips. Stay well hydrated. Avoid outdoor activity during peak afternoon hours. Check in on elderly relatives and neighbors as well as young children. Keep indoor spaces as cool as possible and use fans or AC if available. That's your weather update for today. Barcelona just broke a 112-year-old temperature record, and it's a clear reminder of how quickly our climate is changing. If you found this update helpful, hit that like button, subscribe so you never miss a weather story, and drop a comment letting me know where you're watching from and what the weather's like where you are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.